In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Zoom with Monday.com. Open the board where you want to manage meetings or schedules. Near the top of the board, click the Integrate button. This will open the Integration Center, and then you can use the search bar and search for Zoom. Select Zoom integration from the list. After clicking Zoom, you can select the available integrations and automations, and then click Connect in the pop-up that will appear. You can sign into your Zoom account or sign in with the available options at the bottom. After accessing your account, click Allow in the Permissions page. A pop-up will appear showing the automation you selected earlier. Click on Item and then configure the automation as you want it. After that, you can click Done after you've made the changes. Then click Create Automation to start running the automation for your board. This will integrate Zoom into your existing board. Integrating Zoom with Monday.com helps centralize communication and simplifies meeting management for teams. And that's how to integrate Zoom in Monday.com.